Inspect the case for any damages. Open the case and inspect the front of the meter for any visible damage or a damaged screen. Turn on the unit by pressing and holding the power button until the screen display appears. Does it turn on? Are the lights working? Is the display showing proper values? Inspect that each volume level functions properly by single pressing the power button. Low, medium, and high. Does the max reset button function properly? Press the max reset button. The max value should change and should stay the same until it is pressed again, or the peak value registered exceeds the existing value. Inspect that the unit of measurement change function works properly by pressing and holding the max reset button for 3 seconds. To change it back, repeat. Shut the unit off by pressing and holding the power button until the display shuts off. Inspect the back of the unit for any damage or tampering. Open and inspect the battery compartment for any signs of damage or corrosion.